Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming hardware and power. You need a Bluetooth-capable PC and your device charged and in pairing mode. This prevents wasted steps. Once done, open Settings, go straight to Bluetooth and Devices and check the switch at the top. If the toggle is missing, enable Device Manager View next. If present, turn Bluetooth off then on to reset the adapter. This quick reset often restores functionality, so try it before deeper troubleshooting. Now you dive into drivers and services because software often causes failures. Open Device Manager, expand Bluetooth, and inspect adapters for warnings. Update drivers from the device menu or roll back if the issue started after an update. If updates fail, uninstall the adapter entry and use Scan for hardware changes to reinstall. Next, press Windows key, type Services, open Bluetooth Support Service, set Startup Type to Automatic, and start it. These finish by rebooting to apply driver and service changes. A restart often completes repairs. After Windows restarts, enable Bluetooth and attempt pairing again, watching for confirmation prompts on both devices. If problems persist, run the built-in Bluetooth troubleshooter under Settings, Troubleshoot to detect configuration issues automatically. Make sure to test with another Bluetooth device to isolate the problem. One key tip: if all else fails, use a known good USB Bluetooth dongle to bypass internal adapter faults and restore connectivity quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.